First of all, before I answer that question, I want to say that behind us here is the event organized today by myself, to thank the people of AMAC, to say thank you to those who came out and voted for the ADC for me in the last local council election. This is why people are here from Gui, from Kabusa, from Garki, from Karishi, Orozo, Guarimpa, Jiwa, Gwagwa, we say everywhere they came here, just so that I can say thank you. To thank the leaders of the ADC and to thank the people, particularly in AMAC, who suffered, for the agents who did not give up, for the people. I mean, if over 10,000 people come out to support and vote for somebody, that is huge. And I want to say a sincere thank you to everybody, to the mothers, to the fathers, to the youth groups, to the women, to the platform that I was given. Today, I just want to say thank you, to the people who supported me as a person, and to say that the spirit of the energy of a new AMAC and a new Nigeria will continue to thrive. Now to the question about the trending news. INEC is supposed to be independent. And if an institution that is supposed to be independent is now speaking for a particular political party, then it becomes very dangerous and worrisome. And it is important for dissenting voices, for leaders, for patriots, for lovers of Nigeria at this particular point to stand up and hold those institutions accountable and to say that it is not right and that it must be independent. And this is why, this is my response to that, because INEC is not a player. It's supposed to be an umpire, and it should not be wearing jersey. Because what we see right now is that INEC is wearing jersey, and that's not good for our democracy.
Can Nigeria trust any election that Amupitan will conduct, whether the election or
Even from my election, it is clear that the chairman of INEC cannot be trusted. We can see blatant, flagrant, for all the things that happened, there is no way. He just cannot be trusted from what is going on. It's not a big story. You don't need big English in that.
Okay, from the area council election experience, is a party mobilized enough to make an impact at the 2037 election?
The good thing right now is that it's Nigerians against the ruling party. You can see right now that from Alhaji Atiku Abubakar to Mr. Peter Obi to Dr. Rabiu Kwankwaso and H.E. Rotimi Amechi and all the people in the last election, particularly the three of them were in different political parties. But as it speaks right now, they are together. It says something that Nigerians are coming together. It is about hunger versus the ruling party. It is about passion versus the ruling party. It's about raising the value of our consciousness versus the ruling party. So I can tell you, Nigeria is already getting energized and mobilized, against the next election.
Okay, when is the party agency going to hit the streets of Nigeria for hunger protests, for petrol hike protests?
I know that yesterday we were on the streets. I was there. Day before yesterday, I was also there. And it is not going to stop. We've already hit the street. For me, it's just to call on all civil society groups, all other political parties, fathers, mothers, leaders, people who truly care and love Nigeria to rise up and join in at this moment to ensure that we do what is required and needful.